So now we're going to find the cabins.
This comfortable cabin measures 18 square metres. Aurea guests benefit from a welcome bottle of Prosecco and chocolates. In the cabin there is also a coffee machine and pods that are replaced daily. Cabin 15040 has a balcony that measures 8 square metres and is set on an angle so you can see the front of the ship. For Aurea guests, the first items stocked in the minibar are provided free of charge. The compact shower room is 2 square metres and has a variety of MSC signature toiletries. As an Aurea guest, you also have access to the top 19 exclusive Solarium area.